In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own AI doll action figure with ChatGPT. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a collectible style image of yourself, packaged like an action figure, that you can share with friends, or keep as a fun digital creation. The process is simple, and with a few thoughtful details, you can create a result that closely matches the look you're going for. To get started, prepare a clear selfie or portrait photo of yourself. Good lighting makes a big difference, so try to take your picture facing a window or in another area with soft, even lighting. This helps your facial features appear clear and reduces harsh shadows. Keep the background simple and uncluttered, and frame the photo so your head and shoulders are easy to see. Avoid using heavy filters or accessories that cover your face, and try to remain still while taking the picture to prevent any motion blur. It's also a good idea to wear the outfit you'd like your action figure to have, since the AI often uses the colors and style from your photo as inspiration. Once your photo is ready, sign in to ChatGPT and open a new conversation. Starting with a fresh chat helps keep all of your instructions and image requests together in one place. Make sure your internet connection is stable, because you'll be uploading an image and waiting for the generated result. Next, click the paperclip or photo icon and upload your portrait. Choose the highest quality version of the image that you have available, then wait for it to finish attaching before sending your request. A single high-quality image generally produces better results than several average-quality photos. After uploading the image, enter a detailed prompt describing exactly what you'd like to create. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to create a 3D action figure based on your photo, displayed inside clear plastic blister packaging like a collectible toy. You can also include details such as clothing colors, hairstyle, packaging style, camera angle, background, or the overall mood you want the figure to have. The more specific your instructions are, the more accurately the AI can match your vision. If the first image isn't exactly what you wanted, continue refining it by requesting 1 or 2 changes at a time. You might ask for a different pose, updated packaging colors, improved lighting, or more realistic plastic textures. Making small adjustments with each request usually produces the best results. Once you're satisfied with the final image, save it to your device at the highest available quality, so all of the fine details remain sharp. Keeping it in a well-organized folder also makes it easy to find later or compare with future versions. That's all there is to it. Your AI doll action figure is now complete and ready to share or enjoy. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,